In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate a deactivated Gcash account. If your account was turned off due to inactivity, security checks, or a possible policy issue, the only proper way to bring it back is to request help through the official Gcash Help Center. I'll walk you through what to do, what to prepare, and how to set yourself up for a smooth review. Start by opening the Gcash app or heading to the official Gcash Help Center website. Inside the app, look for the Help Center option. On the website, you'll find the support portal where you can submit a request. Make sure you're on the legitimate Gcash page before entering any details to keep your information safe. Next, submit a ticket specifically under account recovery or reactivation. This category tells the support team exactly what you need. Fill out the form carefully. In the description box, briefly explain that your account was deactivated and you're requesting reactivation. Keep it simple, clear, and consistent with your registered details. You will be asked for your registered mobile number, a valid government-issued ID, and other verification details. Enter the mobile number linked to your Gcash account and double-check it for accuracy. For your ID, use a clear, well-lit photo with the entire card visible, and make sure the name and birth date match your Gcash profile. The team may also request additional information to confirm your identity, things like your date of birth, address, recent transactions, or a live selfie. Providing complete and accurate information on your first submission helps prevent delays. After you submit your ticket, Gcash will review your request. Processing typically takes a few days, though timing can vary based on the reason for deactivation and the volume of requests. Keep an eye on the contact details you provided for updates and save your ticket reference number so you can track the status. If support asks for more documents or clarification, respond promptly and clearly. Remember, if your account was deactivated due to inactivity, security concerns, or potential policy violations, approval depends on their assessment. The best thing you can do is ensure everything you submit is correct, consistent, and complete. Stick to official channels only and never share one-time passwords, PINs, or other sensitive codes with anyone. Once your account is reactivated, review your profile details, update anything that's outdated, and consider enabling extra security features to help keep your account protected moving forward.